Dog, this game sucks in Asian mode. Clorox man, get me the cheat code. What's the problem with the level? I will send you to Buddha. Okay, here's the cheat code. I don't think this is the cheat code. Elimination time! What the was that? Elimination time! Elimination time! Oh yeah, elimination time! Welcome, stupid. You guys lost the challenge, so let's see who's gonna die. Wait, what? We got a total of 9 votes, and Lego Case, Paper Towel, and Clorox Man are the only ones with no votes. Burger King and Juice Box? Yes. You two are safe with 1 vote each. Sweet. That was close. Which means we're down to Pringles Can and Vivuza. If I get eliminated to a plastic instrument, I swear I'll kill you. Unfortunately for me, you are out. 5 votes, and Vivuza only got 2 votes. What the f***? Next challenge is to bring me a red leaf. The person to give me wins the challenge. And you know what will happen to the other 6, right? Go! Fantastia! Oh, is this you, Vivuza? Okay, sure, why not? You need to find a red leaf. This shouldn't be that hard. On second thought... Hey, idiot! Oh great, here we go. How about you take this Clorox to another way? No! If it goes to the Honda ranks, bad things will happen. Too late.
Hello, I'm a recommended character.
See, this is what I mean. Can kill a person who anyone cares. Bark, bark. You're right, hot dog. We can summon a red leaf. But how? By saying these words. SpongeBob Larry Manor! I don't think you have the right leaf. What do you mean? It's a red leaf. Oh crap! Oh my goodness. This duck is built different. So a red leaf should be anywhere. Santostia! Follow the leaf! Hey, look, a leaf. Wait, the leaf! So long, sucker. That's it. I had enough. Looks like our Indian fellow won. I did it. For the India viewers, votes should be eliminated in the comments. The person with the most votes is out. Voting ends in a week.